This is a tutorial to teach you how to create buttons for your Canvas site. These buttons were created on a website called The Button Factory by ClickMinded. It's a free site to use, and we'll go there any minute here. I just wanted to tell you that these buttons that you see were both created on that site, but I customized the size so that it created some white space in between each button versus the large default size of the buttons that do not have white space between each button. So let's see how I did that. I'm going to go to the website, The Button Factory. You can Google it or just put in this website address. And we're going to go down to where we can start customizing our button. The box on the left is all about the text. So I'm going to change the text to say Start Here. Then you have choices. You can bold your text or not. I'm going to keep it bolded. There's also italic. We're going to change the font size to 18. And I want to change the font color to black. That is best for contrast and accessibility. Now at the bottom here, we want to change the padding to be 10. So you can do that by clicking on the minus sign till you reach 10, or highlight the number and just change the number to 10. And as you can see, it resized the button here in the middle. So now we're going to go to the right panel, and we have some choices again. We've got a fully curved, which looks like a pill, versus rounded corners. You can mess with the radius, but I wouldn't. I'd just leave it as it is. And we can choose different button colors here, or stick with the green, or go with a lighter green. Okay, bubble effects, you can see what that looks like, but it don't seem like anything different to me. But here's what's important for this white space between the buttons. You want to create a border, and we want that border to be at least 5 pixels in size. And by default it puts in a colored border, so we need to change that color to white so that looks like there's nice white space between each button in Canvas. You can choose to shadow or not as well, and I am just going to go with this plain button for now. So now I've got a nice little button here, and I'm going to download it. It downloads it as a PNG. And so to keep consistent with my buttons, I'm going to keep everything the same except the text. So I'm going to change the text to syllabus. And when I click to the side of that, it will change the text here and download. So we have a start here so far. We have a syllabus. Maybe you want a button for instructors info. I mean, you can make a button just about for anything. So I'm going to click to the side, it changes the text, and now I can download. Now we have 3 buttons so far that we can upload into Canvas. I will do a part 2 now on how to make these buttons active to go to wherever you want.